Hi. Wanted to very quickly show you my sun bunnies and show you a tutorial, a very fast tutorial for the baby carrot that you will see in a sec. But I wanted to show my sun bunnies because it's FO Friday, right? So these are my sun bunnies. For this one, I followed the cake as it was doing the color changes. I first did her little arms, and then the color changes right here at the ear because the color changed to gray, and then I just completed her body in that color, and I gave her a little nose and little white underneath the eye. That's my first sun bunny. I made her with a 3-ply yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. And then we have my second sun bunny. I ran out of yarn for her, so I had to improvise with the yarn and do some color changes. But this was the Red Heart Ombre yarn in that purple. So I did give her a heart as a hand, and I did some color changing to make this pinks in the ears. Gave her a little nose and white under the eyes. And she has a little tail. I haven't put a tail on my other sun bunny yet, but I fully intend to. It actually helps them sit better so they don't fall over. But this is a sun bunny. And you can find these as a live tutorial on Missy's Cottage. I will link her in the description below. And if you wanted to make the carrots, I will, I guess, say keep watching for the carrots. Currently, she is making an elephant amigurumi. So I decided to turn the carrot into a peanut, but it kind of looks like a poop. But anyways, watch more so you can watch the tutorial. Thank you for watching this portion.
So I'm going to start with a double magic loop, which means I'm wrapping, instead of wrapping it once around my hand like you would normally, what you do is you grab the tail end, you wrap once, you wrap twice, and then you turn to make an X. So I'm going to put 6 single crochet into my magic loop or magic ring, magic circle. Either way, 6 single crochet. I'm going to tighten it. I'm pulling this tail to see which tail is pulling, and I'm going to tighten the one that didn't pull. Then I'm going to tighten this one. So I'm going to put my stitch marker. For round 2, I'm going to single crochet into each stitch. So I'll have 6 single crochet. Sometimes it'll bend up like that, so I'll just try to unbend it. Now I'm going to just move my stitch marker So for this round, we're going to work an increase. We're going to do one single crochet and then work an increase in the next. So that's 3 stitches. We're going to do that again. Work one single crochet and increase in the next. That will be 6 stitches. And then you're doing that one last time, so you're doing that 3 times total. And using on the last stitch, so 1 and 2 for 9 stitches total. It's forming the tip of the carrot.
Okay, so for rounds 4 through 10, we're just going to be single crocheting in each stitch around for 7 rounds, and we'll have 9 stitches total. So I will meet back up with you when you have a total of 7 rounds complete.
Hey there, this is me on another day with my nails painted, but this one is the baby carrot I made with the 3.5 millimeter hook next to one that I made with a 4.5 millimeter. So 3.5, 4.5, so it's a little bit bigger. The stitches are further apart, and if you really go close, you can kind of see some of the stuffing, but it's pretty tight. But right there you can. So that's why I say go to a 3.5 millimeter, because the stitches are more defined and closer together. But if you do a 4.5, you get a thicker baby carrot. And every baby carrot is different in size. I added the smallest safety eyes that I could find in my safety eye packet, and I put them on round 7 when I was working from the bottom up, round 7, and then I did 8, 9, 10, and then I did the decreasing for round 11. Place the safety eyes, and they basically go right next to each other in the middle of the stitch, in the legs of the stitch. But yeah, I just thought it would be cute to add some safety eyes to the carrot. Moving on to round 11. Thank you for listening to my rambling.
So for round 11, what you're going to do is repeat this portion in the parentheses. You'll be single crocheting once and then decreasing over the next 2 stitches. That will be 3 times that you'll do that, and you will have 6 single crochet when you finish that round. I also want to add that you will be closing, so you should make sure that you stuff your carrot before you close the top of it, or you won't have enough space to do so. I'll just finish doing this and show you how I seam the top of the carrot closed. For this portion, we're just going to be using our embroidery needle, and we'll be whip stitching the top of the carrot closed, just going in each individual stitch and then pulling the yarn tail to close the top. Then finish off by weaving the ends in and cutting it, and you're basically done. So This is your little carrot. Enjoy your baby carrot. And they're super duper cute. So, well, thank you for watching. And if you would please like and subscribe or comment, that would be super helpful. Good night or good morning.